I just got this in the mail. This is for my sister's wedding. I am a videographer and I'm gonna put together a highlights reel, but I wanted to show you guys the kind of first impressions. Let's go ahead and open this up together. I have not actually seen this, so I don't really know what it's gonna look like. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's fantastic. Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. All right, that's do not format. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay, that's good to know. And use this cable to load videos and charge your device. Well, that's cool. Okay, nice. Let's open this up itself and oh, that's gorgeous. Look at the embossing on that. And then other side. Okay, so one thing I was a little concerned about was see how this gold can kind of blend into the white if it's really, really bright. You can see that pretty well, but on the listing itself, it really blended in a lot. And I was kind of concerned about that. So I sent the seller a personal message and I said, instead of printing the front text with gold, kind of similar to this, I said, can you print it with black so it stands out more of kind of a modern, clean look? And they did. It looks great. And if we were to open this up, obviously it's not going to play. I need to, oh wait, it is going to play. Oh wow, that's surprising. I thought it wasn't going to play. I guess it is charged. That's just so cool. All right, I can pause that and then let's turn up the volume to max and then turn it down. So you can kind of see the volume right up there as it goes down to 1310. So it basically the volume is between 0 and we max it out all the way to 30, looks like. Let's have it down to like 25. That is just cool. And let's see if it closes. And it closes and immediately stops playing. Oh, it looks like the charging port is right there. Doesn't look like a USB-C. It looks like a mini USB or micro USB, as indicated by that cable right there. So there you go. That's the unboxing of this. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for their wedding, edit up the video, pop it on there, and that's it. Hope that this unboxing helps determine whether or not this memories book is right for you.